Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda and today I'm going to show you how I make my blueberry protein bagels. So let's get into it. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Go ahead and set your bowl on your scale and zero it out. Next up, you're going to add 1 cup of flour, which is 120 grams. Then go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix all those ingredients together. Next up, we're going to add 200 grams of this Orchis protein yogurt. Go ahead and start mixing it all together with your spatula, but just to warn you, you're going to have to get your hands dirty because you're going to have to incorporate all this together. Now that you have it mostly mixed together, go ahead and sprinkle your countertop with some flour, and then you're going to pour all your mixture onto your countertop and just knead it all together. Next up, we'll be adding 40 grams of blueberries. So I kind of just like flatten the dough some and then put the blueberries in the middle and then incorporate that into your dough, knead it around until you have like another ball. Now that we got the blueberries incorporated into the dough, go ahead and divide it into 4 equal parts. And then after this is where you're going to form your bagel. I prefer doing the method of rolling it into a ball and then poking a hole through the middle and then kind of spreading it out. It is kind of messy, but that's how I do it. The other way you can do it is roll it into a long rope and then join the 2 ends together. Repeat that until you have all 4 of them formed into a bagel. Transfer the bagels to a baking sheet and then you're going to do an egg whitewash on top, but you also can use a whole egg if you have that. Either one is fine. Go ahead and place them in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. Our blueberry protein bagels are done. The recipe and the macros will be in the description below, so check that out. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment below, and then join me for another recipe.